Guys, in this video we are going to learn how to change the format of images from PNG to JPG or JPG to PNG by using your coding skills in JavaScript and Node JS. So after watching this video, you will be able to change the format of thousands of images within just few seconds. So this is going to be a very informative video. Stay tuned till the end of the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Now let's go to the computer screen and see how this can be done. So guys, here in my PC I have a folder called images, and inside this folder I have three folders here. One is PNG, one is JPG and WEBP. So in my PNG folders I have 4 images which are named as 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are all in PNG format. And if you look at the other folders like JPG and WEBP, these folders are currently empty. So what we are going to try and do is we are going to write some code in JavaScript to automatically convert these 4 images into 2 different formats, which is WebP and JPG. For this simple project, I've just taken 4 images, but you can actually have thousands of images here, which will be instantly converted into different formats by using this chunk of code. So now let's go to the Visual Studio Code and see how we can do this. So guys, I have a same folder open here in my Visual Studio Code. So we got 4 images which are in PNG format, and these 2 folders, that is JPG and WebP, are currently empty. So to start writing JavaScript code here, I'm just going to initialize this folder by running a command that is npm init, and we are going to select everything default here and try to initialize this project with all the default settings. So now this project is initialized and we have a package.json file automatically created here. So I'll just go to package.json, and here in my scripts I'm just going to add a start script which is going to say nodemon server.js, and we are going to make one more change in package.json, that is type. We are going to define the type as module. So now we can save this file, and in this folder we can create a JavaScript file that is going to be server.js. So that's our JavaScript file, and that's where we are going to be running all the code. Because we are using nodemon in this project to run this JavaScript file, so I'm just going to install nodemon by running a command npm install nodemon. So guys, now nodemon has been installed in this application. I can start this project by running a command npm start. So now our JavaScript file should be running fine. We can test it by console logging hello world in this application. So we can see that our JavaScript file is running fine. So guys, to convert the images from PNG to these 2 different formats, we are going to be using a npm package that is sharp. So I'm just going to install that npm package by running a command npm install sharp. So guys, now this package has been installed in this project. I'm just going to remove everything here, and I'm just going to import this package at the top, and we are going to be using this package to convert all our images in different formats. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to create an array of 4 numbers, because we have 4 images that are named as 1, 2, 3 and 4, and these are the images which we can see here. And I'm just going to try and map over this array, go to each and every item, and by using a sharp library I'm just going to try and access these images here. So these images can be accessed by going to their directory, that is /images/png/ and here it's going to be the file name, that is item.png. So basically we are looping over this array, going to each and every item and reading that file. So it's going to be reading 1.png and then 2.png, 3.png and so on. So after reading the file, what we can do is we can use a method on this sharp library, that is toFile, and we are going to use this to save this image in a different format, that is JPG. So I'm just going to copy this path from here, copy it here, but this time I'm going to be saving this image in JPG, and the format that I'm going to be saving in is also going to be JPG. So guys, as of now our JPG folder is completely empty. There are no images there, but if I save this and try to run this code, so now you can see that all the JPG images are created here and we can see the images here. So by writing this simple line of code, we have converted 4 images from PNG to JPG. So guys, that's how easy it is to convert the file format from PNG to JPG by using this chunk of code. So as of now we have only converted 4 images, but actually there can be thousands of images, and all of them are going to be converted within a second into a different format. And if you're trying to do this manually it's going to take a lot of time to do that. So now we are going to try and do the same thing for the WebP format. So I'm just going to copy this chunk of code again here at the bottom, but this time I'm just going to save it in the WebP folder, which is under images. And the format that I'm going to be saving in WebP folder is also going to be WebP. So now if I run this code again, now you can see that all the WebP images are here. So now we have converted the PNG images which we originally had to JPG and WebP. We can also go to the folder and look at the images. So initially we had this folder that is PNG. These two folders were empty in the beginning, but now we can see that these two folders are having the images in a different file format. So this folder is having all the JPG images and this folder is having all the WebP images. So guys, our chunk of code is working fine. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you have any queries in this, you can leave me in the comments. And if you found a value in this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.